Good morning, everyone. This is Jacqueline, Meadowlark001 here on YouTube. I am here to show you such a beautiful blessing that my friend Ida, who is created to create here on YouTube, made for me. She is such an extraordinary crafter. Her mind is just so creative. We are friends and we text almost every day, throwing ideas off of each other, showing each other the hauls we've picked up, etc., etc. So I wanted to show you this beautiful typewriter that she made for me and sent to me. It came in a couple of days ago, but I hadn't been home to film it. And it's just beautiful. My most favorite colors, winter wonderland theme, made with my very favorite Stamperia paper. So I wanted to let you take a look at the creativeness that she has made. She put lights on it for me, and those are the blinking ones. Those are the slower blinking ones, and then that is just for it to be lit up. I don't know how good you can see it outside, but the little Tim Holtz lantern here is lit up as well. So she has put such love into this. I am just so thankful and amazed. So what she's done is she's made the typewriter, of course. She's embellished it with all kinds of beautiful items. She has made this beautiful dangle that goes down here, and this is a drawer that pulls open, and it is full of some beautiful embellishments to go with the paper line. So she has cut me out some beautiful branches to use. She has made these beautiful buttons with the paper. Let me see if I can get them out of there. To match. Aren't those exquisite? They're just beautiful. She has sent me some beautiful lace to match, where she put here, and the beautiful trim also, if I want to decorate anything else on it or make some cards, and put those on there. And then she has also cut and sent me a variety of tags cut out with the beautiful paper line. Just exquisite, just beautiful. She has it on there with a little book clip with a heart. Aren't those just stunningly beautiful? And the little clip, isn't that adorable? So she's included those inside the drawer that she made. She put the beautiful feet on here to match in the silver. She's done all the typewriter buttons in silver as well. She's made a chain here that connects to a charm that I'll show you in a moment. And then she's got a beautiful bird here with some eggs and a nest. She knows that birds are very dear to me, and she put her love into it with the birds for me on this project. So she has one here as well. She's got birds, of course, on the paper line for the buttons, the little bird with the nest here. Then she has the Tim Holtz lantern, which she has the light that goes inside of it, the bulb. She's decorated with her homemade flowers, and that she has made from Heartfelt Creations, I believe. She made this beautiful spray up here with the butterflies, and she also gave me some of those, which are inside the box here as well. She's decorated up here with a beautiful snowflake that goes with the paper theme for the Winter Wonderland, and she's put these beautiful metal embellishments on there. And then if I turn it over to the side, she made a beautiful frame with the birds, and it's a shaker card. She also put a beautiful bird cage and a bird on the dangle and some little snowflakes on the dangle. So that connects here, and then it connects onto the typewriter roll, which she has on both sides, decorated with the beautiful metal embellishments. And then she also has down here the beautiful metal embellishments that she included on that. So when it's sitting in my craft room on my desk, then I can view it from all sides. So this is the back. This wheel, she said she found at a thrift store, which goes perfect with this paper line. Just beautiful. She also has made her clusters, and she included the little honeycomb, because we both love bees. And I just noticed that one of the flowers was downstairs and I didn't know where it went, so I will glue that back on to somewhere where it goes. And then here is her beautiful Created to Create signature, one of a kind from Ida. And if you're lucky enough to have something made by her with her created by emblem, you are blessed. Here's the light switch that turns the light switch on and off. And that is the back side. And then here is the other embellishment on the side. She's put all these beautiful blue colored beads all across it, all across the front. And again, there is the beautiful typewriter. Now, the lid does come off, and it's on with magnets, so that comes off. I'll set that to the side, and hopefully I don't mess anything up. And then she has filled it in here with some beautiful goodies for me. So her sentiments on here is the world is a wheel. So here's the wheel, and then the wheel that she, of course, put on the back, and it will all come round right, and that's so true. So she has the birds here, of course, very dear to my heart again. So if I pull items out of here, I am going to find a beautiful spoon, and she made some beautiful charms to go on the end here with those. This goes with the wax seal. So she sent me, let me see if I can find them, pull some of these out. But she sent me some wax. So many beautiful things in here. I don't see it in there right now, but that goes with the for the wax seal. And then she has sent a beautiful bird. I don't know if you can see that very well, but it's a beautiful seal, and it's got a beautiful bird on it, which looks almost like this one up here. So that goes together with that, just stunningly beautiful. And she included some silver trim also that I can use if I make some cards or to add on where I want to, which I will probably do cards or letters, personal ones, and then use the same paper with some envelopes to mimic what she has created for me, and then I will store those and house those in there. She has sent me a little tin, and she decorated it with the paper line, and it has the beautiful Winter Wonderland sequence in there, which is just stunning. So thank you, Miss Ida, for that. She's included these beautiful blue flowers also, which she used here on the lid also, if you remember seeing that. Then she has cut out these beautiful circles, and she has used the paper line for them so that I can use also. Beautiful, just stunning. And then the beautiful snowflake, looks like crystal. Then she's cut out some round pieces for me as well, which I can use to decorate with that. And then she's also sent me these beautiful snowflakes to go along with the Winter Wonderland theme, and the Stamperia paper, which is just stunning. So she's jam-packed full of a lot of goodies in here. So I'm going to pull these out so that I can show them all to you. And then here is the wax that she sent me to go with, of course, these pieces here to use to put the wax seals on my letters, my cards, my projects. Thank you so much. That's just a beautiful color. I love it. And then she sent me these dies, which we both were looking at and we both loved so dearly, which she has cut out the medium-sized one here, and she has a shaker made out of that. It's a beautiful silver, and then that's the one that she put over here on the smaller one. Let me pull the stack over into frame. Oh, And then this is where she made the other one, and she put the beautiful glitter silver paper on that one. So I love these, and I thought they were just a beautiful shape for what I want to use them for. So she bought those for me and blessed me with those. And then if you've seen Ida's, which I'm sure you all have, projects and YouTube shares, she has used this beautiful small envelope and card on many of her projects, and I've been wanting one, and she blessed me with this one, so I will be using this as well for a lot of my projects. So thank you, Miss Ida. And then here again, she has found a beautiful stamp with a beautiful bird on it, and I love the design of this. This is just so me. It's perfect, and I will be using that along with all the other goodies she sent me with the paper line and other projects. So thank you so much. This is just so pretty. It's a perfect size for projects, for tags, and cards and everything, so I will definitely be using those. And then she sent me, and she cut out and she embossed a number of this beautiful stamp that she got, which is so unique because it's a butterfly, and then half of it has the snowflakes on it, which I had just not seen before. So she did these in the theme of the Winter Wonderland for me, and she sent me a few of those. She also did some in a really pretty silver patina type style. And then here's some that she did with the vellum, which is just stunning. And that's that thick, heavyweight vellum that she showed on her channel. I purchased some too, and I love it for using it with stamping and embossing. And then there's the two-tone one with the silver, which just matches perfectly with this paper line. And then she has sent some of the stamps that came with her set, Butterfly Kisses and Snowflake Wishes, and she embossed those in 7 different colors. And then here's more to match, of course, the colors of the beautiful typewriter she sent me. And then here is where she also, we talked about how cool would that look with the Christmas colors, and so she stamped me out a bunch of those with the sentiments in red and the emerald green. But isn't that just so pretty? That's going to look so pretty on some Christmas cards. Thank you, Miss Ida. And then last but not least, she has sent me some of the tags, the cut-aparts, the cutouts, and she packaged them in this beautiful belly band, and it has the butterfly that matches with the paper collection. And then here's that beautiful snowflake. Isn't that just so pretty? It just sparkles so nice. And so the belly band comes off, and then her presentation is awesome. Miss Ida's always like, oh, my presentation. Her presentation is spot on. So here she has cut out from the paper line the beautiful cards that I can use, and that's one of my favorites. And then I think there's one with a wheel. I'm not sure. I like the window one. That one's really cute. There's another window one. There's a scene, snow scene. There's a birdcage one, the trees, and the village, bigger village. And then that one's really pretty too. And then she made me a bunch on craft paper. She made me the wood grain and snowflake cutouts. So that is just the beauty of Miss Ida and her generosity, her creativity, her loveliness. I am always excited to see what she creates, and I'm inspired by her, and I have to copy a lot of her designs and projects, and she does a bunch of tutorials, and she's actually uploading a tutorial now, which you will have to see. So please go and check her out. I will link her YouTube channel below. She is Created to Create. I'm sure everybody knows her. Thank you, Miss Ida. This is just stunning. I don't have any words. I am in awe of your mind and your creativeness, and I just I just don't know how you've come up with these things and how you think of all these things. But I thank you from the bottom of my heart. I love you dearly. And please stay tuned for more beautiful creations from Ida. And thank you all. Take care. Bye-bye.